welcome in my video. Welcome aboard the COSTA ATLANTICA cruise ship. Here, we proudly present our luxurious facility that will make your journey unforgettable. Let's begin exploring all that we have to offer. Swimming pool area. While sailing, you can relax in your beautiful outdoor swimming pool or enjoy the serene atmosphere of your indoor swimming pool. Fine dining area. At Costa Atlantica, here we understand the importance of the culinary experience. Enjoy our delicious cuisine at our fine dining restaurant, offering a variety of dishes from around the world. Free Wi-Fi throughout the area. Wi-Fi access is available here throughout the ship to keep you connected to the world, making this journey more convenient and enjoyable. Beauty Center area. Pamper yourself with our luxurious spa and beauty treatment here. Leaving feelings refreshed and rejuvenated. healthy center, and fitness center. Maintain your healthy during the journey by visiting our comprehensive health and fitness center equipped with modern amenities. Kids programs. We have special program for kids here, including a kids club and exciting activity, so the whole family can enjoy this journey. Shopping center area. Discover a variety of luxury items at our shopping center here, from jewelry to designer clothing. Theaters area. We provide a luxurious theater here for you to enjoy impressive performance, ranging from music to theater. Gaming area and casino. Try your luck at our casino here with a wide range of gambling games. Nightclub area. Have fun at our blasting nightclub here with live music and dancing, creating an affordable nightlife experience. Enjoy your journey on the Costa Atlantica through ship here. And feel free to ask our staff if you need any assistance. Thank you for choosing Costa Atlantica. And see you on my next video. Bye bye.